Braces. Are you going to have your one soon? Does this name really scare you? Or does it produce some anxiety within you? So friends, braces, do they really hurt? Do they produce pain? Or it is just a perception? Come, let us have a look at this video in which we are going to discuss about braces and pain.
Subscribe to my channel, Dr. Mansi Shah.
So as we all know and we have been discussing on it, braces have a few parts like brackets, wires, elastics, and all these parts somewhere are a little bit pokey, a bit hurting. But do they really cause so much pain that you cannot work? Or do they cause so much pain that it is unbearable? And my answer is no. No, my friends. It is just a perception of pain. What really happens is a pinching or a pricking kind of pain. It is because of the pressure that the braces create or generate on your teeth. And this pressure is what is going to straighten or help your teeth to get into one beautiful smile. So this pressure is not to be mistaken for the pain. Now if we talk about the very first appointment where you're going to get your braces on your tooth. So usually nowadays the orthodontist, they put the brackets on and they leave it as it is just for you to get used to. And then after a week or two they apply wires and elastics which generate or tighten up the braces and create some pressure. Why is this done? Because in the first 2 weeks what exactly happens is your cheeks and teeth and tongue get used to that foreign material which has been put on. Once that is done, the tightening pressure is generated. So after putting up your first braces, there are chances that you might get soreness, some cuts to your tongues because you tend to move your tongue continuously on your braces. Your cheeks and gums might get some pimples, some cuts, there might be some bruising. But that's absolutely fine because all the dental treatments are going to be a bit painful, but they are definitely going to do a lot good to your teeth. And yes, I know that all of us have been waiting for the braces to get down, and after 1.5 years or 2 years, how the smile is going to look. Yes, it is definitely going to look wonderful, right? So as I was telling about that, after the first appointment, you might get some soreness, some bruises and cuts. What can be done? And if your doctor has put up the wires and elastics as well, then you're going to feel lot of pressure inside. That is, you're going to feel heaviness. What can be done? Easily available on the counter painkillers can be taken for a day or two. There are topical gels which are available which can be applied on the pimples and the cuts, bruises that you're getting. And this, they also relieve the pain and give you some numbing effect so that you can easily have your food. Then switch to soft diet like having yogurts, milkshakes, some smoothies, also oatmeals, or if you're having dal rice, that can be have. You can have some soothing things like ice creams. Yes, a good news for all you kids and people who love ice cream, that you can have ice creams because these ice creams are going to soothe up all the soreness and the pressure. So you can have ice creams as well. So also you can find some soft food like bananas and berries which are going to be easy to eat and tummy filling. Make sure that you don't starve. You have to get used to eating the soft things. And is it that you have to lifetime, like for 2 years, how much you're going to have your braces, eat this food? No, not really. You have to just switch to this food for a week or two. After that, you can have or start your regular diet like sabji, roti, dal, rice. Only the things which you have to avoid is hard and sticky things or biting down right on your front teeth, like breaking off an apple, chewing on a hard chocolate or candy. These things have to be avoided. So this was about the first appointment when you're getting the braces. Now, do they keep on hurting every time you visit your dentist? That is during your adjustment appointments also. But your adjustment appointments of the braces is very much important. Why? Because every time there is a change in the position of the teeth, the position which is desired by your orthodontist, the braces, they lose their pressure, they loosen up. Now, they have to get from position A to position B, suppose. In this journey, every time you visit your dentist, they have to tighten up your braces. Elastics have to be changed, the wire has to tighten up. So after this adjustment appointments, you might have some pressure or pinching for 2 or 3 days, and then you will get used to it. And after 6 months, I promise you that you might not even feel, or there might be no discomfort that you're feeling because of your braces, which you used to earlier feel. Remember that it is a foreign body which is there in your mouth, and to get used to it, like you get used to your specs, you get used to your new classrooms, new teachers, etc. things. Similar way, to get used to this new instrument or new foreign body, the body takes some time. So it will, like maybe after 4 to 6 months, subside, and for the remaining 1.5 to 2 years, you might not even feel that there is something that is there on your teeth. Now the third part of pain where you can think of that you will get pain is removal of the braces. And trust me, the happiness of seeing your teeth straighten back to normal and not controlling the excitement of having yourself look in the mirror and watch your beautiful smile is nothing in front of this half an hour bracket removal pain. There might be something pulling kind of force that is applied, and it is nil or negligible. That might be a small discomfort, and after your cleaning or whitening procedure, here you are all set to enjoy your new beautiful smile. So don't worry, there is absolutely no pain during the removal of the brackets. Now as we move further ahead, after the removal of brackets, there are retainers that are given. There might be plastic retainers or metal retainers. So this plastic or metal retainers might just impinge or create small amount of pressure. And these retainers are mainly given so that they maintain the position of your teeth at which they have been changed to. So they are not going to cause much of pressure, so you can just relax and wear your retainers. Do not forget to wear your retainers because they are going to prevent the relapse of your treatments. Let me tell you that pain tolerance varies from person to person. Like if I get a scratch, I might not cry. If I just get a scratch, I might cry. So similar way, every person's pain tolerance is at different level. Some people can tolerate that mild braces pain. Some people just are so much cranky that they cannot tolerate it. For this, you always have to take help of your orthodontist, some tablets and some soothing gels. They are going to definitely help you out. Also remember that this pain is nothing that severe that it is going to avoid you from going to your school, going to your job or workplace, or avoid you from working in any conditions. So if you're planning or in confusion state that should I go because of the pain, I'm really conscious or afraid of taking that step towards the braces, don't be, my friend. Here you can easily have or change your crooked teeth and have or step towards a beautiful smile. Also remember, braces are not only a beautifying element, they also help you to bite right and digest your food in a better way. So if it is for braces, there's a thumbs up. You should definitely go for it. If you're liking my videos, do definitely like, comment, share. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Dr. Mansi Shah. Friends, I am an oral health consultant and a practicing dentist. If you have any questions related to your oral health, feel free to ask them here below in the comment section. And yes, do not forget to subscribe. I wish that you all have a very healthy and a happy smile. And I know you are taking care of your white pearls. So till then, stay healthy, stay happy and stay oro fit. Thank you.